Pick a nice looking egg. Take a knife and poke a hole at the bottom. Pour out the egg white and the egg yolk. Don't waste it. Make yourself a nice fried egg. Yummy. Clean the inside, and you will have just the empty egg shell. Get a knife, and make a hole at the bottom of the egg tray. This time, for lighting, I just used the torchlight from my phone. I placed the phone on the table, with the light shining upwards. Then I took the egg tray, with some eggs decorated on it, and placed the tray with the hole directly on top of the light. With that, I then placed the eggshell on top of the light. The golden egg. For my background, I used the Christmas LED lights. Place the LED lights behind the eggs. Make sure to use a wide aperture, so that it can create a nice bouquet of the LED lights. I'm using my Canon 5D Mark IV, with the Tamron 90mm macro lens. I set my camera at f2.8, ISO 400, and the shutter speed at 1/100 of a second. Let's take a shot.